Namaskar, humble greetings. This is Sir Umesh and you are all most welcome to MDP News 24 on YouTube. This is Sir Umesh and I have started teaching you all guys, right? Magical words. In the previous two episodes, I just have taught you magical words. Now it's time for me to teach you guys sorry. Sorry, that is called apology. So ladies and gentlemen, girls and boys, many thanks to you for getting connected with us, and this is Sir Umesh. Today we are going to study about sorry. Sorry means apology. We know that what is apology, what is sorry. Sorry is used when we make some mistakes, when we make some faults. We must use sorry and we must feel shy about using it. Many times what happens, we just do some mistakes and we start feeling shy that no, I should not say sorry. If I say sorry, then my goodwill, my reputations, my prestige, my self-respect, my self-esteem will be down. No, it's not like that at all. If you make some mistakes, if you make some faults, it's your duty to say sorry. And there are so many styles to say sorry, right? So, ladies and gentlemen, girls and boys, let's take a look that how many ways are there, how many methods are there we can say sorry. Please, let's start. The first way to say sorry is I'm sorry. Second style is I'm really sorry. Third style is I'm extremely sorry. Fourth style is I'm very sorry. Fifth style is I beg your pardon. Sixth style is I apologize to you. Seventh one is my apologies please. So these are the styles we can say sorry to others. तो जब भी हमसे किसी भी तरह की गलती हो जाती है तो हमें सॉरी बोलना चाहिए, और सॉरी बोलने के काफ़ी सारी स्टाइल्स हैं. आई एम सॉरी, आई एम रियली सॉरी, आई एम एक्सट्रीमली सॉरी, आई बिग योर पार्डन, माई अपोलॉजीज प्लीज, आई अपोलोजाइज टू यू. हमें कभी भी शर्माना नहीं चाहिए अगर किसी भी तरह की मिस्टेक हमसे हो जाती है तो. बिकॉज अगर आप सॉरी बोलते हो, आप रियलाइज करते हो कि आपने किसी भी तरह की मिस्टेक की है, गलती की है, तो दिस इज योर ड्यूटी, दिस इज योर रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी टू रियलाइज इट, टू से सॉरी. सॉरी बोलना चाहिए अगर हमसे गलती हो जाती है तो, चाहे वो जाने में हो या अनजाने में हो. वी मेक सम मिस्टेक्स नोइंगली और अननोइंगली, वी मस्ट से सॉरी. तो हमने देख लिया कि सॉरी बोलने के कितने मेथड्स हैं, कितने स्टाइल्स हैं. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू रेस्पॉन्ड. इफ समवन इज गोइंग टू से सॉरी टू अस, हाउ कैन वी रेस्पॉन्ड. अगर कोई हमसे सॉरी बोलते हैं तो हमें रेस्पॉन्स कैसे करना चाहिए, हमें रेस्पॉन्ड कैसे करना चाहिए. बिकॉज अगर किसी ने रियलाइज किया और अपनी गलती को एक्सेप्ट वो कर लेते हैं तो हमारा फर्ज है कि हम उन्हें अच्छे से फॉरगिव करें. तो आइए देखते हैं कि जब हमें कोई सॉरी बोले तो हमें उन्हें माफ कैसे करना चाहिए. हाउ वी कैन रेस्पॉन्ड. सो नंबर वन स्टाइल इज इट्स ऑल राइट, दैट्स ऑल राइट, it's okay, that's okay, don't bother please, don't worry please, chill out, no problem, no issue. These are the ways we can say in response to sorry. तो जब भी कोई आपको सॉरी बोले तो प्लीज आपको माफ कर देना चाहिए. We should not think that no, I'm not gonna talk to you, I'm gonna break up with you, I'm gonna split up with you. No, never thinks like that. If someone realizes the mistakes and if someone says sorry to you, you should be big-hearted, kind-hearted, generous, grounded, and you must respond to them in a very positive manner. तो जब भी कोई आपको सॉरी बोले, अगर उनसे गलती हो जाती है तो आप तहे दिल से होल हार्टेडली उन्हें माफ कर दो. सो हमने अभी क्या देखा कि हमें सॉरी कितने तरीके से बोलना चाहिए और सॉरी के रेस्पॉन्स में क्या बोलना चाहिए. तो आई रिक्वेस्ट ऑल द लेडीज एंड ऑल द जेंटलमैन, ऑल द गर्ल्स एंड बॉयज, प्लीज यूज सॉरी, use apologies if you realize that you have done some mistakes. It's your duty, it's your responsibility, right? Now it's time for us to just take a small look at excuse me. Where is excuse me used? Excuse me is used when we interrupt someone, when we talk to someone, when we start speaking, right? For example, you guys are talking to each other and I just want to ask something to you. Just there I should start by saying, excuse me, can I talk to you please? May I talk to you please? Could I talk to you please? So without using excuse me, you should not start talking to anybody. You should not disturb anyone. For example, my mama is cooking food and I just want a glass of water. I should say, excuse me mommy, can I have a glass of water please? So before you talk to someone, before you interrupt someone, before you intervene someone, you must use excuse me. तो किसी को टोकने से पहले, किसी को रोकने से पहले, किसी के बीच में बोलने से पहले हमें excuse me बोलना चाहिए. ये कटसी है, ये गुड मैनर है, ये एटिक्यूट है, ये डिसिप्लिन है. People will notice you, people will be able to be attracted by you, you will be able to attract people, you will be able to influence people, people will start loving and respecting you. So please boys and girls, आप किसी से बात करो, बात करने से पहले हमें excuse me बोलना चाहिए. Thank you so very much for getting in touch with us. This is Sir Umesh and you are watching my video on spoken English on MDP News 24. This is on YouTube. If you like my videos, right? I would like to request you, subscribe to MDP News 24 and try to share it as much as possible. Please give us likes so that we shall be inspired and motivated. So until my next class, take care of yourself. See you. All the best. Thank you.